I'm Duy. I'm taking charge of building the house. Building blocks of the house are randomized, such as brick block, stone brick block, nether brick block. For the roof, the wall, the floor, ceiling, and the counter of the window with different color, which will add to the diversity of the house. Therefore, each of the house is truly one of a kind. But that's not all. With the recursive wall dividing algorithm that I created, each house created gives you unique rooms in many sizes and ways. There's more. The arbitrarily placed interior such as bed, bookshelf, chest will add another layer of unique to each house.
My name's Harry, and I was tasked with the terraforming of the plots surrounding the houses and the natural terrain generation. First to operate around a fixed block coordinate, creating a bounding box around the plot, and then smoothing from the lowest point of the bounding box back up to the plot's Y level. This creates a natural smooth line and rarely creates jagged terrain and harsh cliffs. However, steeper terrain is usually a bit of a problem for the algorithm to handle. Smoothing also takes blocks away from the corners of the smooth terrain to create more of a natural look. One of the problems that arose was finding the correct coordinates to sit the houses on top of. As the houses were coded to be created using the x and z coordinates as a corner, building the house diagonally outwards, we ran into issues trying to find the center of the house to be used for the terrain generation. As a result, some of the houses appeared not to be quite in the center of the plots. A quick solution was to increase the size of the plots. However, this created some unnaturally flat surfaces as shown here. Generally, however, this is sufficient for placing the houses on, and the village decorations also work nicely with the flattened terrain.
My name is Connor, and I was tasked with generating the roads and deciding the house locations. Straight roads start at a random location close to the player and go for a random distance between minimum and maximum values. I then get a random point in the road and generate a new road through that point. I repeat this process again for the second road, which leaves us with 3 straight roads that all intersect each other. It's done with black wool blocks, and then I add black wool blocks either side of that. And for the middle, I add a white wool block for every 4th block to make it look more aesthetic and like an actual road. The house locations are placed at the start and end of each of the 3 roads, which gives us 6 houses for our village. Due to the houses only being able to be generated in one way, the houses are actually generated slightly away from the road depending on the length, width, and direction. This ensures that the door of the house connects directly to the roads.